रेडी।
हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू? Enjoying lockdown tutorials? Welcome you all in my English session. Today in this session we will start Unit 1A, that is the Emperor and the Nightingale. So please open your book and take out page number 2. Firstly, I will focus upon the title, that is the Emperor and the Nightingale. In the title we see 5 words: the emperor and the nightingale. So the, that is article, as you know that the is the article. Emperor means king in Hindi, raja or samrat, and is the conjunction joining word. The again article, nightingale name of a singing bird. All together in Hindi it is एक राजा और एक गाने वाली चिड़िया के बारे में इस चैप्टर में हम लोग जानेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ लाइन बाय लाइन रीडिंग विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो फर्स्टली आई विल रीड line by line and then I will explain the meaning. Long ago in the land of China there lived an emperor. He had a majestic palace. So long ago means बहुत पहले. In the land of China, चाइना में एक राजा रहता था. He had a majestic palace means he had a very big palace. So English meaning emperor. So you first underline the hard word. Emperor meaning the supreme ruler of an empire or kingdom. He had a majestic palace. Majestic, that is very big, grand. Behind the palace there was a huge forest and a nightingale lived in it. Behind the palace, at the back of the palace, what it is? A very huge, a very big forest, jungle, and a nightingale lived in it. एक गाने वाली चिड़िया, एक सिंगिंग बर्ड रहती थी. ठीक है. The nightingale sang so beautifully that it was known far and wide. People even wrote books about it. The nightingale sang. Sing past tense, that is sang. इतना मीठा गाती थी कि that it was known far and wide. बहुत दूर दूर तक लोग इस गाने वाली चिड़िया के बारे में जानते थे. And people even wrote books about it. और लोग इस चिड़िया के बारे में किताबें भी लिखते थे. ओके. Now far and wide, that is over great areas or distances everywhere, माने हर जगह, दूर दूर तक लोग, माने ये चिड़िया जो थी, this bird is popular far and wide. One day the emperor read one of the books and wished to see the bird singing. एक दिन क्या होता है? One day, एक दिन, the emperor, राजा, read one of the book, कोई एक किताब को राजा पढ़ रहा था और उस and wish to, और उसकी इच्छा हुई कि वो उस चिड़िया, गाने वाले चिड़िया को गाते हुए देखे. The emperor ordered his man to bring the nightingale to the palace. So what happened? The king ordered his man to bring the nightingale to the palace. महल में लाने के लिए आज्ञा दिया, ऑर्डर दिया. ऑर्डर, bring soon. Only a kitchen maid had seen the nightingale, so she took them to the bird. सिर्फ एक कुक जो खाना बनाती थी राजा के यहाँ, किचन मेड, किचन रसोई घर, मेड जो रसोई में काम करती है, खाना बनाती है, हैड सीन द नाइटिंगेल, वही सिर्फ नाइटिंगेल को देखी थी. सो शी टुक देम टू द बर्ड. सो राजा के मंत्रियों को वो साथ में लेकर के उस जगह पर ले जाती है जहाँ वो सिंगिंग बर्ड रहती थी। The kitchen maid asked the nightingale to come to the palace with them. और वो किचन मेड जो थी वो नाइटिंगेल को अपने साथ come to the palace with them. The nightingale agreed to go to the palace with them, and in this way, the nightingale is ready to go with them to the palace to meet the king. The nightingale sang so melodiously that tears come into the emperor's eyes. He ordered his men to put the nightingale in a fancy cage. What happened? The nightingale sang so melodiously, बहुत मीठा गाती थी, बहुत अच्छा गाती थी, और राजा को क्या हुआ, बहुत पसंद आ गया और इतना मीठा गाई, इतना अच्छा गाई कि राजा की आंखों से आंसू निकल पड़ा। टीयर मीन्स आंसू। come into the emperor's eyes. He ordered his man to put the nightingale in a fancy cage. राजा आज्ञा देता है, ऑर्डर देता है कि इस गाने वाली चिड़िया को एक अच्छे केज में, फैंसी केज में बंद करके मेरे महल में रख दो। So in this way I'll finish. So continual of the same chapter in my next session also. If any query is there, so you will ask, and thank you so much.